Ready to go. Ciao, hey, por allá. Bueno, Josh. Dale, papi. You want to take a picture with the sign up on the antenna right there? I can take it for you. Hola, chiquillos. Estaba hablando de ¿no? Hay que hacer cosas Sí, no, ella, 5 kilómetros. No, bueno, chiquillos, por allá. You think we got some good pictures of the animals?
I can't wait to. A friend of ours came a few years ago and she's like, it wasn't my favorite. I'm like,
En el LJ.
LLJ, papi. My good friend George, right here.
oh yeah.
Bueno, papi, por allá, güey. Madre, George, ¿qué rana es esa que tiene ahí en la espalda? ¿O es que está desteñida? Ah, ese Colombian poison dart for yeah, because we don't have it in Costa Rica. Pero es una dendroátidos, ¿ah? Una bofaga. Una bofaga es. ¿Aquí? Ah, ya. Después del río. Al otro lado del río, a este lado del río. Sí, qué chuzo, man. Qué chuzo. So he said that one of these days he spot a granulated poison dart frog. But we don't have it on this part of the river. He saw it on the other side of the river. It's kind of cool how the river is the limit.
Yeah, it's done. I keep thinking I smell marijuana. Me too. Do you?
It's a tree, miss.
Is it?
Yeah. And we also have another tree that smells like insulin. You know what's insulin?
Insulin?
Yeah, what the people with diabetes.
Yeah. Oh, like sweet.
It's kind of weird. It's kind of like a weird smell.
Like right there, I just smelled it. So that. You didn't smell it?
Yeah, I smell it all the time. But I'm used to it now. It's kind of funny because you mentioned that. I keep smelling marijuana, and I imagine the howler monkey like that's why he passed out like
Yeah,
the tree right there.
I think that's what he's been doing, or yeah.
pot is illegal in Costa Rica.
I was gonna say, I mean, to a lot of people though.
But
I mean,
that doesn't mean that people don't
Yeah.
use it. A lot of people use it.
You know, several states
In the States, I know.
have made it legal, but like North Carolina has several have not.
But you're south.
We're north.
North, oh yeah.
Yeah.
So your state is, it's legal.
It's not legal.
Not legal.
It's more like New York, California, Oregon, kind of the Pacific Northwest places that have legalized it. But now they have so many like gummies, you know, you can order and take. Somehow everybody gets them.
Yeah, I've been watching such a funny videos of dogs that cats that they found in people's houses and they eat it.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's so funny.
Well, so many people now drink the seltzers, you know, the drinks like a seltzer, but it has THC and if you can buy that stuff.
Oof, watch your head.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if you just luckily missed it. No.
I saw that I thought that you were gonna hit that with your head. You see that? Ocean.
Oh yeah. It's like
This
a little
is
finger.
a peninsula. A small peninsula.
So this is where it's less crowded. On this side.
You wanna know something cool?
Yeah.
The restaurant where we're going, we're gonna see this beach. We're gonna see it from where we are going.
Oh, okay. So will we come out like where we were before, or Raphael or Ralph is gonna pick us up
He's gonna be waiting for us in a different place. We're gonna get there walking.
somewhere?
We have to walk just 5 more extra minutes. Is that okay for you?
Yeah. I was just curious, like if we, just like what we were, how it all played out. Like if this brought us back to the same.
Yeah, this is gonna bring us
area.
to the exit. Yeah.
No, I mean it's been an easy.
Hmm?
It's been an easy walk. I'm not tired or anything.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I mean, we go hiking, you know, in North Carolina, like in the mountains.
I wish I could do that one day.
Um,
Go and hike on your trails too.
Yeah, I mean, and you know, they've got waterfalls and all that cool stuff too. But,
That's great.
we don't do it enough anymore. But when it gets too hot, you go, you know, to our mountains. It's a little cooler, so it's like a break from the heat. But it can still get really hot up there too.
Wow. Little baby, so tired.
I would not want to carry a baby though through this rainforest.
It's too humid for them.
Well, it's
They
just-
get very
and they-
suffocated.
Yeah.
Hola, perdón. Sometimes I have clients that they travel with a baby that is month old,
Oh, I know. I
couple of
can't
months
even-
old.
I don't know why anyone would do that. I wouldn't travel. I mean, unless I was going to see family and was at a house, you know, I wouldn't until she was like 4. I mean, I'd either travel without or because they're just you can't expect a kid to behave, you know, on planes and that's torture. I mean, you did go on planes sometimes, but not like a 4 or 5 hour, you know, 6 hour plane ride. I mean, like a 2 hour, but again, trying to drag it to.
With a baby crying inside the airplane for 6 hours.
Oh, yeah. I
I
mean,
can
it's-
imagine people jumping out of the plane.
Yes, I know. And it's not fair to the baby.
It's actually poor guys. I mean, I love babies.
Yeah, I do too. But
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. I don't think a baby should be taken, if you can help it, like shopping. Because, you know,
Exactly.
they want to just be independent. So I don't think you ever really were talking when you were 4-ish, where you could understand better.
Hola, hola.
Hola.
So you just have one son, you said?
2.
2. 2 boys?
One boy and one girl.
Oh, okay.
My daughter, her name is Ariela. She's 11,
11.
and but she is like 5.
Oh.
She's not 5, she's 5.
Oh.
But she's okay. She's
Yeah.
fine. And my son, his name is Nathan, and he's like a little earthquake. You know what I mean? You see, you can't travel with that guy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Well, and how old is he?
He made
He's
the
7,
plane
you
crash.
said? Yeah. That's what I mean. They just have a lot of energy.
Yeah, my kid's like a monkey.
Climbs on everything.
Oh yeah. Nathan is so funny. So funny guy.
They are. I mean, that's a good age where they understand everything, but they still
Mm-hmm.
love you and they, you know, they stuff I'm like, I'm like when they get older. Does he like school?
No.
No, yeah, because they make him sit too
Yeah.
long. Huh?
But my daughter, she loves school.
Does she? Okay.
She's very smart.
Yeah.
It's very hard for her because she still doesn't know how to read because her condition is very slow.
Mhm.
But she loves everything in the school.
Yeah.
But the other guy is too lazy. He just wants to be running and play.
Yeah. Well.
Nathan.
Yeah. It's. I wish I would have taken school more seriously back when I was in it.
Yeah.
You know, but usually when you're older, that's when you interest form more.
It's freezing today.
It
Very cold, very cold. That's why I bring my sweater,
is. Yeah.
my jacket.
Protecting everything, right? So it must ruin my skin. Salt water's good for me. Looks like it's already healing. The water looks good as cold.
Pretty color, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to use the restroom before we continue.
Well, should we do it here or at the restaurant?
You can do it here because we still have some couple of minutes before we get to the restaurant.
Okay.
And these ones are the cleanest restrooms of the park.
Okay.
That's why I didn't even mention before.
Yeah, yeah,
Because the other ones are used by too many people.
yeah.
Cái gì đó lép cái bộ kìa.
Ma, qué buen brete tiene en el brazo, perro.
Ah, gracias.
Qué bueno que está trabajando. Ready, señoritas?
Yes.
¿Dónde es la salida del parque?
¿Vamos para la salida? ¿De dónde vienes?
Te ayuda.
Ok.
Quiero ir para la salida del parque.
Ok, sigue aquí
Sí.
y en la próxima intersección dobla para la derecha. El sendero de concreto.
Gracias.
Por allá.
Adiós.
Eso, mi hermano, por allá.
Found one. So are these mangroves?
This is a green mangrove, yeah. All this area got flooded in the rainy season. I'm sorry, when the tide gets high.
Oh, yeah. So mangrove and banyan trees. I'll have a lot of banyan trees too, right? No?
No
Where did
banyan
I
trees here.
Well, at where we're staying, I think there's a banyan tree. you know, or somewhere I saw. Yeah, it's where we were saying.
Esto. Banyan trees.
You know where the roots come from above and go.
Ah, yeah, like a ficus, yeah, see. I know,
Yeah.
different than a ficus for you, but very similar for us. Like we call them higuerones.
Oh, okay.
I know which one you mean. I'm so sorry.
No,
I was a little bit
for what-
confused.
I guess we call them banyan. I mean, you see them like in Miami and. You
Yeah,
know.
in hot areas, pretty
Yeah.
much. In cold areas,
Yeah.
they're not there.
No, yeah. Like they wouldn't be in North Carolina at all, but Florida and really South Florida, like way far down. Like North Florida, not so much.
Close to the humid.
Well, it's all humid.
Yeah.
I mean, North Carolina's humid.
Oh yeah.
I mean, in the heat of summer, it feels kind of like this. I mean, but you know, in the winter, you get a reprieve.
No way. In the summer feels kind of like this.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. It can. I mean, it can get up to 100.
I swear to God that I thought it was very cold.
Oh no, I mean,
It was fresh in the summer, but very cold in the winter.
it can be like 100% humidity.
Just like
98
here.
Yeah, and 98, 100 degrees. I mean, we've had above 100 degrees. Up
That's
there.
good. Yeah, just like here. Same
Yeah.
thing here, actually.
But the winter can get cold. Like we had a lot of like single digit temps. It's not a lot, but we had a handful this winter. We had snow. And it can get cold, like in the 20s at night.
Wow.
Regular, but not.
The smell that we've been feeling for a couple of minutes,
Sulfur?
yeah, is the sulfur
Yeah.
that produce the gases of the mangrove, because
Yeah.
you know that the mangroves are like the lungs of the
Yeah.
ocean. They produce a lot of oxygen, but they are
They
cleaning the
clean.
ocean. Yeah.
We get this too in certain areas.
We're not gonna be walking in the sun like for the whole time. In 3 minutes, we're gonna be in the shade.
Impossible. How can you even fit? Wrap around everything.
Poor babies, little babies. Hola, hola, hola.
C'est sur cette route-là, c'est là où on a vu les...
So have y'all had tsunamis?
No, we never have a tsunami. We just need to have the sign,
Yeah.
just in case that when
Yeah.
something happen, you know.
Yeah, you never know.
Tropical land crab
Oh, I see it.
in the hole. Take a look in the hole.
Yeah, I see it.
Tropical land crab, or I'm a big metal fan. I like rock and roll, so I call him Halloween crab.
Oh, yeah.
Like the metal band.
Oh, yeah.
Because in Spanish we call him Halloween crabs.
Halloween.
Because the colors they have, they look like Halloween,
yeah,
you know?
the red, the black.
Yeah.
Do y'all have a lot of crabs here, though? Like blue crab or any of that kind of stuff?
Gray, green, red.
That you
the-
eat?
No,
You don't eat them.
no, they're venomous.
Okay, so we have several.
I mean, they're not gonna kill you, but
Yeah. We have several, you know, we eat, like blue crab. Soft
we
shell
got
crab.
we got the jaibas in the ocean that we can go and just take them on the rocks,
Mm-hmm.
and they're eatable and they taste really good.
Yes, they're delicious.
But it's so hard to
to
eat
get
them.
Oh, yeah.
To
it's
eat
a
them.
lot of work.
Yeah, just like crawfish.
Oh,
I love crawfish,
I love crawfish.
but every time that I eat it, I cut all my mouth.
Oh. Well, how's that? Just,
Because I buy the finch and like the,
oh, yeah, you're stuck in the head. How
yeah,
you
so
stuck the head?
it's very
Yeah.
easy to cut your tongue.
Yeah. We like crawfish. It's a treat in our house. But it's a lot of work.
So this is a mom and daughter trip.
A what?
A mom and daughter
Yeah,
trip.
Yep.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, and it's a little bit quick, but
Still a mom and a daughter
yeah,
trip.
it's still good. You get
Yeah.
away.
It's beautiful.
See different part of the
I wish I
world.
can send my wife and my daughter to do something like that together once. That would be great.
Yeah.
And then do it with my
With your
son.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be beautiful. I'm gonna try to do that next year.
Like what would y'all like to do? Like what would be fun?
They like to go to the rivers and beaches.
The river.
Yeah,
Do you like to fish?
I like to fish, but I'm not good at it.
Well, can't. Some of it's
I got such a bad luck fishing that
Oh,
even when I go with my friends they also don't get anything.
oh, really?
And when they go
They're-
without me, they
they
get
get
the
it.
giant bee.
Yeah.
I like mahi mahi.
Yeah. Hat even makes me wind blows, it's not so bad. When the wind blows, it's not
Oh
so
yeah, it
bad.
feels amazing, right? What did they find over there? The crocodile? We found a crocodile there yesterday, yeah, but a tiny one. But it was on the other side. At least they have the bird that we saw before, the kingfisher. Because this is the river, and the bridge where we saw him is right there.
Oh. So we're just like on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dijo que tiene ahí pegado, ¿eh?
El woodland, esa ramita que baja de esos dos palos así a la
Ajá.
izquierda, ahí se percha el hijo de puta lindísimo.
Vale.
Ahí va, ahí va.
Ah, ya jaló, lo jaló para adentro.
No, ahí
Ahí está, velo, velo,
Además se
velo.
percha aquí y se percha ahí. Esas son las ramas favoritas
There's a
del
beautiful
mar.
hummingbird right there. You see it? The wood nymph. The bridge that goes like that.
Oh, did you
Está
just
cachete.
Uh-huh. It flew away, yeah. Come on, ladies.
This is Heliconia Maria.
I had to rescue a little hummingbird
Oh,
last
yeah?
year. It got in my
He made it?
garage. Yeah, I think. And it was horrible. He couldn't find his way out.
Oh.
My garage door was up and he got
Poor guy.
yeah, he got between, like when the door is open, he got between the top of the door and the ceiling and just couldn't figure his way out. And he was just like, you know, wearing himself out.
Mm-hmm.
And he started kind of bleeding from his beak. You know, like, but he was still breathing alive, and I was able to get like a little washcloth and get him and take him to the back, and he eventually flew off. So I'm hoping he got where he
I hope
needed.
he made it, yeah.
I put him, like, I have a hummingbird feeder. I put him near that in hopes he would get, you know, some
Energy.
energy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm hopeful, but oh, it's horrible. I don't know how he. The hummingbird feeder's at the back of my house. The garage is at the front, so I don't even know.
How it happened? How he get
Yeah,
there?
normally we don't see them out in the front like that. But
Dale el cuyeo, dale el cuyeo. Toma, perrito.
Camínese, todo orden.
Échate, papi.
Cachete.
Eso. Smart. He's spotting the bird. Papi, ¿qué? Eso. The same bird that we took a picture before. This invisible bird but from the other side. But the thing is that I think he doesn't have a good angle because he's gonna take
you
the
have to go
tail.
to the back.
Yeah.
So it's still there.
Still there, yeah. He's nesting over there.
So those birds don't nest in trees, they're down on the ground like
They
that?
do it in the ground because they can disappear in the ground.
Okay.
You know how we found those birds? Because sometimes we get so close to their nest that they just flew away.
Oh, okay.
And then we are like, oi!
What is
Almost
that?
stepped in the nest.
Yeah. Right, heavy? Nope.
This is where we start, guys.
Yeah. That was awesome. I'm glad we started early.
Yeah. Careful. Provecho, papi. Provecho, chiquillos. Buena vida. Man, no encontré el perezoso, Alan. No lo encontré. I told my friend, dude, you told me where to go to see the sloth, but I didn't see it.
Yeah, that was him.
You hear that bird singing? That one?
Yeah.
That's our national bird singing.
That's what international.
Our national bird singing.
Oh, national.
We call it jiguirro in Spanish, but it's actually a brown thrush. So, you hungry, ladies?
Yeah.
At what time you have breakfast?
About 7.
Oh, yeah, you're hungry.
Are you hungry?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm almost dead.
Yeah.
I'm dying, I'm starving. No, I'm kidding, I'm not that hungry, but I'm hungry.
Dice él.
Buenas.
León juzga por su condición. Hola,
Eso,
amigo.
eso. Oye, papi. Hola. Capi, capi. ¿Todo bien, papi?
Gracias a Dios.
Bendiciones, mi hermanito. Igualmente, papi. The guy that I just said hi, he's a Boruca. He is an indigenous.
Oh.
And capi capi in his language means like pura vida or how you doing, like think I can see your van from here. Hijo. Careful, sir. You're walking right in the middle of the street.
Yeah.
Ah, pero que ustedes dan cachete aquí, perro.
Estoy esperando que me avisaran, no se me vayan a hacer.
Ah, pues sí, ya vamos aquí para el restaurante.